Okay, so we're going to test the opacity on the 6.7.
From cleanouts?
Yes. Let's be all official about it. Okay, enter horsepower. We're gonna call this one let's call this one 400.
Enter 2012.
2012.
Sensor out of attack, yeah.
So now it's going to 0.
Go ahead and put it in.
So put the probe. We've also got a 5-gas analyzer in here. We might not really see anything on our 5-gas on this thing. Okay, that's all ready.
Rev engine to max and hold for 4 seconds.
Okay, give it a good long snap.
Okay.
Okay.
Press any key to start. And it's
Okay, so now as soon as we get a live reading there, which we might not, those zeros might not move. Ignore that beep. Okay, go ahead and snap it again. See that? Okay, hit next test. As soon as the weight goes away, then we're live. Okay, snap it again. Okay, hit next. Okay, snap it again. Okay, hit next. Okay, it's going to run this through again. We're going to do 3 more snaps. So give it a big long snap. It's like it's exhaling. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. All right, now snap it again. Okay, next test. Okay, snap it again. This is going to look exactly like it would if you didn't even have this in the exhaust. Yeah. Okay, snap it again.
It just sounds pretty.
It sounds pretty. It sounds clean even, doesn't it? Okay, go ahead and hit the next test. Okay, remove the sensor. And of course on the 5-gas analyzer we're not seeing. If you look at our 5-gas analyzer, it's like the probe's not even in the exhaust. There's no CO, there's no HCs, there's 20.9% oxygen, which is what's in the air we breathe. So is it almost like what's coming out of the exhaust of this 6.7 Powerstroke? It's almost like it's breathable. I'm not recommending it, but it's, you know, these things here are so low, and obviously our opacity is so low that it's like just ambient air. So go ahead and print that. if you can. Is it asking you to print? So we can save, sure, and then print, yes. So looking at our printouts, this right here is the 7.3 Powerstroke from an old tired ambulance with how many miles are on that? 180,000?
189,000.
189,000 miles. Okay, that's really not bad. Okay, we got 4%. If you look down here on our official test results, 4.67, 4.6, 5.5, and then of course on the brand new 67000. If we were to, this test is not totally fair, obviously. I mean, we can't compare the 7.3 to the 6.7 exactly because one has, you know, lots of miles and one has only got 5,000 miles. So it's not totally fair. But if we were to, let's say we had a brand new 7.3, there's still no way we would see zeros. There's still no way we would see zeros. The number one reason that we see 0, 0, 0 on the 6.7 is the DPF. Okay, this is what the DPF is for. It's for clearing this out. We've had this thing running in the shop here for a bit, and we've got the big door open, so it's not like we've totally enclosed ourselves, but you can't even smell it. Anything we're smelling is left over from the old ambulance when we had it running a few minutes ago. So, you know, this is just one example of how clean these diesels, the new diesels are.